ekwekọ amagba ki yo o nwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu ka anyị mepe akpa ka anyị mara akụkọ dị n'ime akpa ihe o ka dịkwa alụ ọmọgwọ n'ime
Let me show you.
Okay, all these corn and
Yeah. Awesome.
So this is corn. This is corn, yellow corn for pap.
For?
For pap. I have little children, you know. Okay, it's like some soya beans did not enter here, and this is soya beans. I believe there's soya beans somewhere, and this is millet. Yeah, no, this one is millet. This one is millet. What could this be? This should be part of corn, I guess. Gallon because I'll be needing some fat. I actually wanted to make back home to make my pap. I use normal corn and millet and guinea corn. But because I'll be needing agida, I need to soak it 2 different types of corn, of pap rather. The one with other grains and the one with just corn for agida. So your local woman is here. If you need corn, if you're in Canada and you need pap, call me. I am available. I'm available.
You not supply pap?
Yeah, I can. If I have all this on, I can.
Okay.
So
Business don't say to be that.
yes. If you need corn, if you need agidi, if you want agidi, you are missing agidi, call me. I'll make agidi for you. If you need pap, call me. I'll make pap for you. So this is my what's it called?
Noodles.
Noodles.
Indomie noodles.
Yeah.
Those small ones, right?
Yep. Yep. So, I got 2 in the other this thing. 2 noodles, 2 Indomie this thing, and I wanted more in onion. I don't know why these people decide to pack all these things in gallon. The other shipping company, the only thing they packed in gallon was beans. All these grain, you can pack them with Ziploc. I don't know why they decided to. It was in Ziploc, and they changed it. They transferred it from the Ziploc to gallons. I don't know.
Is this one?
Millet, dawa. No, sorry. We got this for our pap and for our agidi. Hey, winter is coming. I am ready. Agidi and pepper soup. That's the season when we eat mostly hot food. So I'm ready for agidi and pepper soup and hot pap in the morning. Jesus.
What's this?
Corn.
Okay. Both of them are corn?
Yeah. I think maybe they stored it here. Then the many one they poured it here.
Okay. You know,
These are part of the
fabrics.
My God. Yes. Okay.